Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our ladies from the Philippine Air Force. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Rhea Dimaculangan. Wearing jersey number 4, Yari Yonko. At number 9, Judy Caballejo. Wearing jersey number 10, Maika Ortiz. At number 11, Liza De Ramos. And jersey number 12, Joy Cases. Libero, number 3, Jill Gustilo. Head coach, Mr. Clarence Ai Esteban. Calling on our lady patrollers from the Philippine National Police. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Frances Cinia Molina. At number 5, Mary Jane Ticar. Wearing jersey number 8, Mary Galliano. At number 9, Maricor Martinez. Wearing jersey number 11, Christine Jane Maderazo. And at number 12, Angelica Chariz Perez. Libero, number 16, Justine May Tadeo. Head coach, Mr. R.G. Dave.
Coming to you again from the San Juan Arena here in San Juan City. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Andre Felix po kasama si Madam Mozi. Kami natatawakan. Dami ko nang naitatawag, no? Dami na.
Alam mo, nakakaisang game pa lang. Ay, 2 games pa lang ito kasama. Ang dami man eh.
Legendary Goddess, Josa, Madam, Binibini. Miss Universe, pwede din. Gusto mo?
Uy, gusto mo talagang tanongin ko yan, ah.
Sige lang.
Gusto mo, ah.
Let's not mention the
Walang
past.
iyakan,
The past, yung tissue nga dyan, bakit? Ito, nakikita natin ng Air Force, mga players natin, of course, on your screens right now. As we take a look at the PNP Lady Patrollers taking on the Philippine Air Force. And for the Air Force, we have Rhea Dimaculangan, of course, Jill Gustilio, Larry Yonko, Judy Caballejo, Mike Ortiz, Liza De Ramos, and Joy Cases. And for the PNP, for the Lady Patrollers, and Philippine Air Force will start off.
Rhea Dimaculangan with an ace right away. Parang may statement, ah.
Statement kagad si Rhea. Talaga sinimulan niya.
Strong presence, ah.
Sabi niya siguro, Mozi, ha? Binanggit niyo ako kanina ni Andre on the top of this coverage. Ayan, simulan natin ng puntos para sa Air Force. Of course, Rhea Dimaculangan, one of the steady setters of this Air Force squad. Molina tosses it over. And now the Air Force will set things up.
Joy Cases going down the line, pero eto, Molina was
Molina
able to
again.
attack, pero
But that was a great frontline block from Yonko and De Ramos. Talagang
solid pa
solid.
din.
Bumangga, di ba? Shakey's, if it's fun, family, beat sides, got to be Shakey's. Rhea Dimaculangan again will set up the third possible point for the Air Force. Oh, nice tip in.
Joy Cases ang
yes.
inabangan. It went over on the first ball.
That was good. That was a point for Perez for the Air Force. Make that for Cases. And Dimaculangan again. Setting.
Oh, that is wide for
Wide,
Rhea. But nevertheless, a strong start for our Air Force, our Air Women.
Air Women. Dami mga suggestion na nakakatawa, asking for monikers. Kung anong pwedeng monikers. May Air Flyers, may Air Spikers, ano pa yung kanina?
Jet Setter.
Ating Barker, thumbs up dahil ideya na yun. Back to the ball game. Molina was blocked again by that front line by Yonko and the Ramos, but that was out.
Yep.
So puntos para dito sa PNP.
Actually, ganda ng idea doon ni Molina. Nakita niya, sarado na. Wala nang dadaanan yung follow niya. Went for the swipe and got the point.
Pero credit the defense talaga nitong Air Force Mozzie. Talagang sinasalubong nila. And dala-dalawang umarap. And an error there that time around for Tikar. Actually, we rarely see that from a veteran like Tikar.
That's right. And you don't want that happening in this game. Siyempre, kailangan nila lahat ng puntos, diba, sa larong ito against the Air Force.
They will set things up, and that was really strong and good for a point for Molina.
Si Molina naman this time not going for a swipe, but rather a cross-court hit.
Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. And by the way, happy 67th founding anniversary sa ating Philippine Air Force.
Wow.
Pinapabatihan ni Coach Aying Esteban. Grabe, 67. Oo. Ilan taon na ba sila?
Congratulations. Si Noel, 68.
Sila.
Mas matanda na yung taon. Si Noel.
Okay, ikaw baka magalit sa akin si Noel, sabi ni Boss Noel.
At least,
Si Barry ang tinatanong
isang
ko.
taon lang Si Barry, bata pa yan. Si Noel,
Okay.
68.
Balik na lang ako sa laro, baka madali tayo dito. Baka malagyan ng mighty band na upuan ko eh. Joy Cass is now serving for the Philippine Air Force.
Oh, but that's right into the net. Buti na lang kasi kanina, ganun din, error din ang binigay ng PNP. At sa kabila naman, si Joy Cases, error din sa service.
So medyo may mga konting ano pa tayo dito. May mga jitters pa since it's the first set. And
Oh, that got the line for Molina.
Service ace right there for Francis Molina. First player of the San Beda College. Francis Molina will set again. Oh, that time around short, hitting the net. Itong service niya.
So, parang na-neutralize lang yung point a while ago.
This is the first game for both squads. No? So, medyo siguro...
Yonko. Si Yonko with an ace.
Buti nakakorrekta tayo dito ni Barry. Yung PNP pala yung naglaro na.
Yes.
Mozzie, itong Air Force ang first game nila ngayong araw. Salamat, Barry. Appear, yan. Oh!
Materazo. Going up in the air.
Skying high for that attack. Kita mo yung buwelo eh. Kita mo yung buwelo talagang... Materazo will now set 7-6. Ano nangyari doon? 7-6 now in favor of the Philippine Air Force. PNP now with the serve. Di makulangan. The set. Could receive that time. Here's Materazo.
Gilgusilo getting to that. Caballejo once again.
Oy!
This time down the line. Nakakuha na niya.
First, we will have our first technical timeout. The Philippine Air.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta. It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
Paalala lang po sa ating mga manonood sa GMA News TV, mapanood nyo po ang Shakey's V-League everyday, Monday to Friday. So araw-araw po tayong may volleyball dito sa Shakey's V-League where it all started. And the games will begin at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Samantala, puntahan naman natin ang ating first courtside report from our beautiful courtside reporter, Bianca Saldua. Bianca?
Maraming salamat, Andre. Medyo masakit pa rin ang talo ng PNP Patroller sa Ateneo Lady Eagles nung nakaraang laro. Pero tulad ng sa Frozen, kailangan let it go, let it go. Natuto sila sa kanilang pagkukulang na ayon kay Coach RG ay ang communication receive at tapang. Minsan daw kasi kapag na-intimidate o kaya nalungkot sila, nawawala ang kanilang focus sa tatlong aspeto na iyon. Para kay Coach Aying naman, kahit mas experience ang kaniyang Philippine Air Force, pressured pa rin sila dahil hindi nila masyado gamay ang kalaban nila ngayon at inaasahan niya na maraming adjustments ang kailangan nilang gawin para makukuha sila ng matamis na first win. Balik sa inyo, Dre and Mosey.
Thank you, Bianca. And that's good. Maganda yung ganong attitude and ganong pananaw. Dinaan pa sa kanta ng Let It Go.
Oo nga. Well,
Let
alam
it
naman
go.
natin maganda boses ito. Kaya may K.
Oo, kaya kumanta.
Pwede.
Pwede ba? Muli, kanta ka din, sample.
Gusto mo tutula ako. Pwede.
10-6, lamang po ng 4 itong Philippine Air Force natin. Tikar.
Oh, Micah Ortiz dun sa serve and that goes wide.
That goes wide. So puntos para dito sa Philippine Air Force.
Well, sa loob ngayon ng Philippine Air Force, tatlong tumasya ng nandyan. Yung Brea de Maculangan, Micah Ortiz, at si Judy Caballejo na halos nagpang-abot-abot din sa paglalaro sa UAAP. But this time, Micah Ortiz with that long one. Chance ng PNP. Yun yung kailangan gawin ng PNP. Pag nagkamali ang Air Force, dapat sila wag para, alam mo yun, to their advantage yung pagkakamaling yun.
Kailangan nilang i-capitalize ito. And now, let's see, Di Maculangan with the set. Oh, that was a good tip pero nakuha doon. And now, Di Maculangan. This is a good rally. Maderazo this time around. Finding that opening. Ang ganda naman nun.
And may hang time pa eh. Bago nung pababa na, tsaka kumuha ng top spin.
Hinahanap niya talaga ng pwesto itong bola.
Ang ganda ng off-speed shot.
Napakaganda.
Hang time
Tinitingnan
lang.
natin ngayon ay habang tayo nanonood, napakaganda nga hindi na natin kasama si Noel Zarate. Sana makakuha natin to. Di Maculangan with that set, but nice retrieve. That time by PNP.
That
the
point,
block.
yeah,
Yes.
that point goes to Air Force. Off the block hit. Ito mo yung Air Force, ang lalaki rin nila, no, partner?
Oo, partner, grabe. Sabi ko nga
may
sa'yo,
height eh.
partner, talaga naghahanap ako ng player na mas matangkad ako, pero wala eh.
Mahirap-hirap yan.
Mahirap-hirap eh. Yung floor director lang natin, pwede.
Medyo, may labang pa sa iyan, ha? Maderazo
PNP
on
gets
the
the point.
line. Yes, that's right. Pero hindi lumalayo ang
Oo.
hindi nakakalayo ang Air Force.
If some people thought this would be a blowout, ay talagang lalamang ang Air Force na malaki. No. Because PNP is really...
Just staying in there.
Yes.
But that time, si Cases, isa pa naman kasi itong may hang time. Pagka tumalon, ibang klase din. And pushes that ball and gets the point.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And now serving is Rhea Di Maculangan for the Air Force. 13-9. 4 lamang ng Air Force. Molina. Di Maculangan will set up.
A great dig.
Molina with that power hit, and that was good for Molina.
And I like that she challenged yung blockers
defense,
ng
yes.
yung ng Air Force. We see it once again. Look at this one.
Dito.
Hindi man iniwas eh. Talagang dinikdik, di ba, dun sa mga blockers ng
Lisa
Air
Ramos
Force.
and Iyari Yonko was there at that time
right.
to block, but to no avail, and puntos para kay Molina. And now, PNP Tikar will serve. Maculangan again will set Casis. Skying high, but that was good defense for PNP. Oh, that
Tadeo
solid
digging
dig
in.
there. Tadeo playing solid defense
That's
for the
correct.
PNP.
I was about to say that.
Oh, another block. So PNP showing their toughness on the defensive side, Mosey.
Yan, yan ang pwede nilang pagsimulan, di ba? Kasi pagka may depensa, kumbaga it's easier to go to your place. Pagka nakukuha ang bola. Lalo na, mas maganda kung nakakaputos pa off the block.
And the thing is, it's not just their front line that's doing the damage. It's also their libero, their back line that's also helping, and credit the aggressiveness and the energy of this
Yung back row players
yes,
nila.
the 6 players sent in right now for PNP. Talagang playing great defense. 13-11. Magandang laban po itong napapanood natin. Another solid defense there. Credit to Molina and to Perez.
Ang tangkad naman kasi nito dalawa to. But of course, alam mo, sa blocking, hindi lang naman tangkad yan. It's also about timing.
Yan. Ganda niyan. Galing mo talaga. Tita Mol.
Madam.
Tita.
Tita, ate.
Josa. Goddess. Ano pa? Miss Universe.
Makakasampu ka.
Kami po yung nag-enjoy lamang dito. Andre Felix mo kasama si Mozi Ravena sa GMA News TV. Tingnan natin, set up na naman nila. Kabilang, sinet up the utility, but that time it was wide. So the point will go to the Philippine Air Force.
That's right, Martinez sending it a bit wide.
Sorry siya agad. That's why she apologized right away to the coaching staff. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Now serving Liza De Ramos for Air Force. De Ramos with that save right there.
Yari
Cases.
sending it across to Cases.
Molina this time, but returning the favor is Tionco and Ortiz for that defense that they have. Kung kanina, kaiwang magandang depensa, kami naman ngayon. Let's see. Molina being stopped that time around by the front line. Blocking and the point going to Air Force.
You could really see that it's an offensive block because nilagyan pa nila ng angle kung saan bumalik yung bola.
Tama. Martinez, her turn. Good save. Oh! Ortiz scoring there. That was a good hit by Ortiz. So Philippine Air Force, after having some spurts and some momentum going to the PNP, having some spurts and some momentum going to the
How do I
PNP,
keep an angle?
having some spurts and some momentum going to the
How do I keep an angle?
having some spurts and some momentum going to the
How do I keep an angle?
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Hey, let me tell you why. You're like me. It's so ahead of me. Why? You're like me. So ahead of me. Why? Secrets in the cracks. The new gourmet cracks. Then is top gourmet cracks. Finest ingredients and fresher. Top gourmet cracks. The new chic ingredients and line fresher. The new chic ingredients and line fresher. The new chic ingredients and line fresher.
That time around, hindi nila na-timingan itong
Natalo sa Joust itong PNP kasi mas maganda na yung posisyon at
Yes.
nauna na doon si Micah Ortiz.
Air Force now serving, and they will set things up to Molina again.
Very simple but so effective is that combination play coming from PNP. Molina on the tail end at going down the line.
Now Perez will serve.
Ay.
Too long that time.
Right. Yes. Yan yung mga kailangan nilang iwasan in this game.
Yung mga error. Hindi nila matuloy-tuloy yung kanilang momentum mo, Zino. You know,
Kasi nga nagkaka-error.
Yes.
Parang nakaka-stop nung momentum na sila din naman ang gumagawa.
Joy Casas now. Good serve. Too strong. That was good save for the PNP. This is a good rally. Oh!
Oh, good dig there by
Good dig.
Degar.
Molina this time around.
Angled hit once again, and Molina gets it. Gets the point. Well, Air Force now with 6 attack points. Ang PNP, Molina, pang 5
Ito,
puntos niya na yan, partner. At si Maderazo having 3 of her own.
Precision and power that time around for Molina. Another serve here for PNP. Di makulangan, right in the middle. That was open right there for Mike Ortiz to place the ball in the middle of...
Ako, ito. Pasok na si Wendy Semana for Yari Yonko. May isa pa tayong substitution galing sa Air Force. Pantino coming in for Rhea de
Maculangan. So, a couple of substitutions here for Coach Aying Esteban, shuffling his squad. And Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shea Keys V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Materazo!
Oh, that's in. Poor decision there by Tadeo. Kala niya lalabas na yung bola, pero it is in. So, point goes to Air Force.
Force ka lang, Marsa. Pasarap lang. Si, tulak mo sa dulo. Dulo mo. Labas ka, labas. Receive tayo, atin. Pasokan sa receive. 3. 4 kayo, 3 kayo receive. Dulo mo. Harap. 4. Ayan. Ito mangyari. 4. Pasolis mo. Ay, kasi hindi na babantayin yung breaker natin. Lahat C eh. Hindi. Sulat naman ng contact eh. Gusto ba natin ng maganda?
Panorin natin ang huling nangyari dito. Materazo. And that's what you mentioned. Ito si Tadeo. Kaling ang lalabas na eh.
Ayan, for yun eh. Nandun na siya eh, diba? Malapit siya, kaya lang kala niya siguro lalabas. But, pumasok.
Oh.
Wendy Saman. Ayan, yan din, kararating lang eh. Pumasok lang. It's that point. For Coach, ganda ng yung mga sinasabi natin magandang hugot.
Oh, diba? Magandang hugot. Tama. Magandang hugot. Kakapasok lang, puntos agad. Ito si Wendy Samana. Let's see. She can do it again, but this time, here's Materazo. Semana now will set. Too long. Was it in?
No,
Looks like it is in for Marian Pantino.
Pantino. Long cross-court hit.
Wow.
Pero, mukhang tumama sa linya.
So, mga bagong pasok lang. Yung mga magagandang bunot talaga nito ni Coach Aying Esteban. And Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Martinez on the line for PNP.
Here's Martinez. Semana will set.
Oh. Caballero. Nakita mo yung pagkadikdik eh. Mahirap sa depensa ng PNP yun. Of course, Judy Caballero, also a beach volleyball player from USC.
Now serving is Mike Ortiz for the Philippine Air Force, and that one is out, clearly.
Sa Green Hills, pupulutin yan. Ang layo. A long one from Mike Ortiz.
Kung ganun, papapulutin na natin to si Boss Larry. Si Boss Larry.
Christine Dave now comes in.
Christine Dave now coming in and replacing Galliano for the Lady Patrollers of the Philippine National Police.
Oh, kombinasyon ng nanggaling sa Air Force.
That was good. That was really a magandang kombinasyon, Mozi. Semana setting up Marian Pantino that time. And Semana will go back to the bench.
Look at that down the line hit. Oh, that's right into the net.
To 17. Balik tayo dito kay Cases. Sabi ng PNP, Molina with the attack there. Balik kay Joy Cases. Receive, and they will set up. Looks like Molina again.
Oh,
yeah, that was good.
That's right, and it's a check ball for Molina too. So, point goes to PNP. And itong si Molina, siya talagang umaatake para sa PNP mula nung umpisa. patuloy pa rin. As you can see that cross-court hit.
Let's see if the Air Force can close this one out. Looks like PNP will still go to their bread and butter.
Oh!
And why not?
And ang
Bakit nga hindi?
And si Molina kanina, pagkatapos ng cross-court hit, down the line naman ang tinira niya ngayon. Kaya ganun ka-effective si Molina eh.
She's unpredictable nga
Yes.
itong si Molina dahil tama yung sabi mong partner. Magkaiba yung kanyang puntos kanina.
Oh, ito na yung sinasabi natin sa pregame. Si Mana, binalik ulit sa pagiging spiker dahil pumasok na si Rhea Di Baculangan. Kanina siya yung setter eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Ito yung
isa sa mga advantage ng Air Force.
And here's Di Baculangan setting up Joy Casas, but that was too long.
Oh, humahabol pa sa PNP.
Hindi masaka-saka nitong Philippine Air Force ang pintuan dito sa PNP. Patuloy silang kumakatok.
That's right. At talaga naman ang PNP hindi bumibitiw. So let's see kung ano pang mga play ang pwedeng gawin ng PNP para makahabol.
Pero hindi. Nice dig that time. Molina. Oh!
Oh, and Perez going for the tip, that power tip. Ito na.
At yung katok, naging bangga na sa pintuan. 23-21. The lead of the Philippine Air Force has been cut down to 2, and they will call a timeout.
Lalapitin na naman natin, mabatoy na naman tayo dyan.
Guys, let's go!
Dapat tatakin mo talaga ng malakas. Lalo nga nagkakamali kasi binabago mo yung
Panoorin natin dito ang nangyari. Of course, PNP trying to come back here. It was Di Baculangan that time. And Neneng, Tapik, and the miscommunication.
Well, Air Force now needing only 2 more points to close this out. Pero ang PNP, ayaw ibigay yung dalawa puntos na yun.
Molina again, using the left hand that time. Wala. Oh! Good save. Tabe will set up Molina again. Di Baculangan will set things up. No. This is a good rally. Who will take this point? Joy Casas. Balik. Sabi ng PNP, Molina, tapusin mo na. Hindi pa rin. Tadeo with that.
Another chance.
Isa pa daw.
Oh, and this time. Nandun na, ang problema kasi doon, nakaabang na yung blockers ng Air Force.
Alam na nila kung sino ang titira dito eh.
Hindi na iniwanan si Molina.
So the Lady Patrollers will call for time this time. Coach Aing.
pumasok ka. Check ka dun dyan. Okay? Pasok ka yung tumba. Set mo, sit. Idulo mo kay set. Sit kayong tatlo. Okay? Sit lang kayo tatlo.
Sir,
Okay?
ganito kasi. Sir, pag nakita mong nakaposisyon na, wag mo na itulak na nakakuha na ng bola kasi violation tayo eh. Magkawala ka na lang.
Siyempre nga naman, kung Lady Patroller ka, ayaw mo ma-violation.
Sila ang dapat
tagahuli
bibigay
din
ng sila tagahuli ng violation, hindi sila ang
Ito na
nahuhuli.
yung huling palo ni Molina. Hindi, wala, yung blockers nag-aabang
Nakabang
na
na.
lang. Hindi makulangan at si Tapik.
Yes. Medyo naging predictable na itong laro nitong PNP. Now Rhea Di Baculangan will set things up. And what could be a set point here for Philippine Air Force. Molina again.
Good coverage.
Molina, inaabangan na talaga itong si Molina para patuloy pa rin pinupuntahan itong PNP.
Bakit nga naman hindi? On the third try, gets the point. Talagang si Molina, ready naman siya. Yun naman ang maganda sa kanya. Kahit
gusto niya.
sunod-sunod.
Talagang gusto niya. Bigay niyo lang sa akin. Bigay niyo lang. Kahit ilang block, ibigay niyo lang sa akin. Napaganda doon. At nakapunto sila.
Guard serve for PNP.
Di makulangan. We'll
Oh,
set things up.
Ang
Muntik
ganda
na yun,
nung
oh.
palo, pero mas maganda yung
Kick.
kick. Oh!
Oh!
Nagkaagawan dun sa loob. So that ends it as a point goes to the Philippine Air Force.
Christine Dave and Francis Molina.
Take a look at that once again.
Yan, no? Yun yung magandang palo. Pero sabi mo nga, maganda yung dig. This is our shaky shake and play.
Ayan,
At yun,
nagkabungguan,
miscue. Okay na eh. Ang ganda na ng receive and dig ng time na yun. So at the end of the first set, Philippine Air Force taking it 25-22 over the PNP. We'll be right back.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus. Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. No sleep and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so sweet. And it's still a 20 bucks.
Send AT20 to 2827.
So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta. It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Welcome back to the arena here in San Juan City for our match today. The Philippine Air Force taking the first set 25-22. Kalaban po itong PNP Lady Patrollers. Of course, Andre Felix kasama po si Mozzie Ravena. Yung first set, Mozzie, anong nangyari doon?
Ang maganda rito yung attack points magkalapit naman. Kaya yung score natin magkalapit din. Pero sa blocking, lamang ang Air Force. At sa aces yun, 4-1 ang naging ace dito ng Philippine Air Force against PNP. Alam mo, ang nangyari lang dun sa dulo is naging predictable nga yung offense ng PNP. That's why basang-basa naman ng veteran na Air Force. So, kaya nakuha nila yung first set na yon. So, let's see kung ano naman ang adjustment ang gagawin ng PNP para na hindi uli mangyari yun. Kasi sayang di ba? Nakahabol na sila towards the end. Tapos, yun nga, yung mga plays lang nila dun sa dulo, masyadong naidiin kay Molina. Na in the end, abang naman ng Philippines.
It was a scary moment for a time yung nangyari dito kay Molina na napatayo yung buong squad ng PNP.
Dahil may
Seems to be okay.
inaalalayan na siya
Yes,
na injury.
kanyang left knee, but seems to be fine right there. But that time, the point going to Philippine Air Force.
And so far, Caballejo now with 4 points, along with Ortiz. Molina, 11 na partner. Sumisigaw na 11 points at the first set, and Madrazo having 3.
And now D-Mac with a serve. Or Rhea Di Maculangan.
That's right. And Perez gets it through the blockers of Air Force.
And this is good, ha? Ito yung maganda para sa PNP dahil at least na iba, hindi na lang puro kay Molina pupunta.
Right.
At least now Perez stepping up and getting that point for PNP.
Yan ang kailangan nila hanapin, partner, na para naman hindi lang kay Molina palagi na ibibigay ang opensa. And a free ball now given to PNP.
Let's see if PNP can capitalize. Ortiz.
Solid middle hit there by Mike Ortiz. Yan ang kumbaga mataas ang signal, ganda ng connection.
Mike Ortiz, that powerful, strong hit.
I mean, just like the good old days.
And Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Tagal-tagal din kasi naging mag-teammate sa USC ng dalawa. Si Rhea Di Maculangan at si Ortiz.
That's why they know each other very well.
And a free ball given to Air Force.
Casas will take it this time. Balik na naman. Air Force will be given another chance. Casas! That was a good one.
That's right. Poor coverage though on the side of the Philippine Air Force. Malayo yung mga players kaya pagbalik nung bola off the block. Look at this. At pinwesto ng maigi ng PNP. That was an offensive block coming from PNP.
That was good, but it will be in.
And a violation called against PNP kaya ang puntos mapupunta
dito kay
sa ating Air Women.
Tying 3-all, and Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Joy Casas with that serve. Martinez tosses it up.
And I like the way
yes.
Molina handled that hit. Back row siya halos. Tapos nakita mo yung adjustment. Pinwestohan talaga yung bola. That's why she's able to get that point.
And now, Francis will set things up. Full serve here for... but that was a bad reception that time.
And an ace for Molina. Dami na. Tamakmak na yung puntos dito ni Molina. Molina.
Lamang na ngayon ng PNP 5-3. Tingnan natin kung kaya na lang ituloy ng ganito. And another service ace. Kay Francis Molina, mukhang maganda ang gising. Ito ni Molina.
At may iniinda pa yan lagay na yan. Sometimes, you are amazed on how these girls play. Tsaka yung spirit nila, yung attitude towards the game, na kahit may iniinda sila, you just play kahit na hindi 100%.
But Tapik that time, si Neneng Tapik, scores that strong attack right there.
Quick hit.
Quick hit for Tapik.
Yari Yoko.
Good time there for Pantino.
Pero sa kanya pa rin kasi naibigay yung bola. Sa pagbangon niya, teka.
Sa kanya ulit.
Hello, ball. Hello, Mikasa ball.
7-4. Lamang pa rin po ang PNP. In the first set, it was the Philippine Air Force. Pantino.
Miss hit, but gets the point anyway.
Bawi dun si Pantino. Thank you to Axel, our official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And for the Philippine Air Force, now serving is Neneng Topic.
Oh, nice sharp serve.
It's a good serve. Oh!
Ang ganda naman ng hulog ni
Maderazo. Oh. Nahanap ako.
Umang-time pa eh.
So our first technical timeout, 10-3. Ito.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
That's pizza, chicken, pasta. It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your Monster Meal and Family Meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
Cigar over to Maderazo there.
Ang ganda ng forma. Parang nakati-4 pa sa ere.
Yun yung parang sinasabi lang, nagkape pa sa ere. By the way, you can watch the Shakey's V-League every day, Monday to Friday, 1:00 po ng hapon yan, and the games will air on GMA News TV. Now let's go back to, of course, our courtside update from Bianca.
Maraming salamat, Dre. Bago yung game na ito, ang unang sinasabi ni Coach RG na ang pinaka-importante talaga sa kanya ay ang receive. Actually, hanggang ngayon, paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi na ang receive talaga ang pinaka-essence ng kailangan nilang ma-achieve dahil naniniwala siya na kapag walang receive, wala ring attack. At yan ang gusto niyang i-achieve sa susunod na mga set. At sana, wag bumigay ang knee at stress fracture na naman ni Molina. Na sinabi kanina. Para sa Air Force, ang ayaw lang ni Coach Aying at this point, finishing the first set na muntik matalo na tuloy-tuloy sana ang momentum at huwag hayaan humabol ang kalaban. Back to you, Jay and Mosey.
Thank you, Bianca. Let's see if Air Force can capitalize, but that was a good tip in there from Rhea de Maculangan. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Mosey, na itong si Rhea de Maculangan and Semana, who are steady setters but can also score points for the Air Force.
That's right. At pwede silang parehong nasa loob, di ba?
Pwede magsabay.
Magsabay. It's an error against the Air Force, so gives a point to PNP at nalapang na partner ng 4 na puntos.
10-6 ang ating score.
Oh!
That was an error on the part of Joy Casas there.
That's right. Vallejo now comes in for Joy Casas.
For Joy Casas, medyo she will get maybe some few words from Coach Aying Esteban. Ipapahinga muna ito si Joy Casas. And now serving Maderazo. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Air Force setting it up for Ortiz. Balik na naman tayo kay Molina. Caballejo that time.
Perez going for a swipe, and it's a violation against Air Force. So, ang puntos mapupunta na naman sa PNP. So, kalahati na lang ang score ng Air Force ngayon.
At unti-unti, di natin napapansin mo, lumalaki ang lamang itong PNP. And now, the Philippine Air Force will want to talk things over once again. Let's listen in to Coach Aying Esteban.
Dapat tayo magulo, tayo yung humahabol eh. Okay? So yung kailangan natin, gawa natin ang paraan na, kasi dapat kung anong trabaho natin, yung munang gawin natin. Hayaan muna natin yung ibang trabaho. Kung ano yung tatrabaho mo, yung munang gawin mo. Sabihan yung kasama mo kung gawa mo na yung trabaho mo. Air Force!
Doon po sa mga kakapanood lamang, Kanina po, ang nanalong first set ay ang Philippine Air Force. Pero pong lamang ngayon dito sa second set.
Right.
12-6 ang PNP. Andre Felix po kasama si Mozi Ravena. Gandang hapon po, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Lahat po nanonood ng Shakey's V-League sa GMA News TV.
Well, partner, so far itong Air Force, 3 attack points at ganun din naman ang PNP, 3 attack points din. Pero ang nag-iba lang 2 block points na PNP and 2 serve points din sila. So kaya sila lamang ngayon.
So we can see the energy nitong PNP. Talagang lumalaman. So very good match so far. Oh, that was a good placement. Ganda ng pagkalagay ng bola naman ng panahon na yun.
That is right. Perez, kitang-kita niya yung butas and hindi na pinahirapan ng sarili. Look at this one. Halos push na lang ang ginawa for
Binasa niya yung depensa. Binasa niya yung depensa ng Air Force doon. She saw 2 blockers coming her way. She placed the ball perfectly, now giving the lead to PNP by 6 points na ang lamang ng PNP.
Oh, and Caballero this time off the block and gets the point. Napansin mo, ang ganda ng adjustment ng PNP coming in the second set. Kumbaga, ibang PNP ang nakita natin.
Compared dun sa first set. So, some adjustments have to be made also here for the Philippine Air Force. Tikar, set things over now. Molina again. So they go back. Why not? Ba't di natin balikan to si Molina? Siya yung gumagana sa atin kanina ng first set. They go back to her.
Pero yun ang key doon, di ba? Ngayon, they just went back to her. Hindi katulad nung kanyang first set, halos kanya lang lahat ng puntos. Ngayon, ibig sabihin, may iba nang nagko-contribute din sa team, which is really the key to their success. Yun ang kailangan nilang gawin all throughout this game.
Yonko. Too long.
It's a long one for Yari Yonko. So, PNP just trying to pull away now at the mid portion of this set. Dapat to, yung momentum, huwag na nilang isuli. Diba? Huwag na ibalik sa Air Force.
Lamang na ng 7 itong PNP. Perez with another serve, and this time they go back to Iya Yonko.
Oh, but that's a nice one.
Yes.
That's a nice one. Ang haba, pero pasok. Diba?
There's nothing you can do there if you're PNP.
Wala nang defender dun sa area na yun. So,
Caballero now. Tikar.
Oh, but Martinez sending it long.
Apologizes right away to the coaching staff of PNP. Caballero. And now
PNP still playable.
Back to the Air Force. That was strong attack, strong hit there.
Yari Yonko managing to get that point. Nakita niya, hindi pa masyadong handa ang depensa ng PNP dun sa portion na yun sa zone 1. Doon ibinigay.
Iya Yonko scoring there, cutting this deficit of the Air Force to 4. Oh, that was a good block there. Good defense on the part of the Air Force. Partner.
At eto na. Lumalapit na ang Air Force.
At yun naman, it's a time of the Lady Patrollers who want to talk things over. And pakinggan naman natin kung anong sasabihin ni Coach Argie Dave sa kanyang mga manlalaro.
Kasi pag dumikit sa atin niya, wala na. Okay? Huwag niyo panigitin. Layo tayo, receive tayo, one stop, patay tayo. Okay? Diretso lang yung 15. Diretso lang ha, diretso lang tayo. Lock. Alam mo kung sino bablano ma'am. Wicker, di ba? 10. Backliner yung setter. Ngayon. So, Mars, timing na yung lock, okay. Caballero. Open na.
So after being up as much as 7 points, naibaba na ng lamang itong Philippine Air Force ng 3.
Oh, that's really close to the net. Oh, that's going to be called a double violation. 2 touches. Ano na nangyari doon? Try lang naman eh. Hindi naman sadya. Ref naman, oh. Judy Caballejo on the line to serve for the Air Women.
Picar. Setting up Molina again there. Nabasa yun that time around. Let's go back.
Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Philippine Air Force. Naguluhan talaga ang blockers ng PNP. Isa lamang ang nakapagbantay dun sa palo na yun. Dahil nagkagulo na sila eh. Kasi parang zigzag motion yung nangyari dun sa bola.
Ang ganda nung they went to Iya Yonko at that time. Now cutting this deficit to 1. Isa na lang ang lamang ng PNP. Babalik naman nila. Let's see. Pantino this time will try.
Oh, good dig.
Picar. Over to Molina.
That was
almost
saved.
not quite. Yes.
That was a pancake saved by Judy Caballejo.
Picar will go back to Molina.
And Molina trying to go for a swipe as she was going down.
PNP thought that was already a point for them. Akala nila, pasok na.
Pero nandun yung kamay ni Judy Caballejo for a pancake.
Caballejo still serving, tying now, 15-all. Picar. Here's Pantino. Hinahanap itong Air Force kung saan sila makakapwesto.
That's right.
Napaganda pa! Napaganda pa! And don't look na mo, lamang na ng isa. Just like that, Philippine Air Force may kasamang
Keep an angel happy. Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. And All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Paalala lamang ulit, mga kaibigan, ang Shakey's V-League airs every day on GMA News TV. That's Monday to Friday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And now let's take a look at our face off the game. It's Miss Danica Fano, 18 years old, from Antipolo City, taking home that 1 box of pizza, of course, courtesy of Shakey's.
Sarap naman. Nunod ka lang. May 1 box of pizza ka. Diba? Ubus na barkada yan.
Ubus yan ka agad. Katabi niya pa lang. Yung mga katabi niya. Tinong mga katabi niya ngayon.
Parang si Bianca yung pinagbibintang mo doon.
Pantino, and that one is long.
Right, and alam mo, sinaga ng Air Force, pero ang PNP naman, di pa rin nawawalan ng loob. Basta they tie the score right now, 16 apiece. Dayan Saligaw inside for PNP, but Air Force gets that point.
And now serving, it's Iya Yonko for the Air Force. Picar will set.
Si Iyari, nakita mo, layo na pinanggalingan, pero siya pa rin ang nag-set ng bola.
Saan sila si Tapik doon, pero na-stop. Ganda din ang depensa ng parehong koponan ngayon, ha? Mozi.
Free ball given to the Air Force.
Let's see if they can capitalize. Pantino does!
Oh, and Pantino way up in the air. Ang taas ng silundag.
Oh.
Look at this one.
Grabe. Look at that. That hang time, that motion.
And you like the angle where she went. Iwas na
Oh.
sa dalawang blockers.
Precision and power there from Marianne Pantino. And Shakey's, if it's fun, family, pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
At si Semana na ngayon nang pumasok para kay Rhea de Maculangan, which means siya ang setter ngayon dito sa Air Force.
And now setting for PNP.
So far, Gustilo with 3 big points. Tadeo having the same number. Iyari Yonko in the second set, 3 points na. Partner Pantino with 2. Ganda ng bunot. Molina with 2 points also, along with Perez. So far ang Philippine Air Force, 9 attack points, 9, 1 block point. Ang PNP, 5 attack points at 2 block points at 3 service points.
This is a good set actually for both squads. It started good. Started right into PNP, pero Air Force showing some life. Good rally here.
Chance for PNP to attack, and they do. Maderazo on that open hit. Small but terrible eh.
Ticar going to Maderazo, and Christine Dave coming back into the ball game now for Galliano.
Sa mga enlisted women natin yan sa PNP. Christine Dave, and agad-agad ace.
Good service ace there for Christine Dave. Ito yung isa sa mga magandang buno talaga. No? The coaches really know. And ang ganda ng mga ganyan. Yung kakapasok mo lang, you contribute
Instant
right
point.
away. Yes. We are knotted again now at 19. Mike Ortiz and
that goes out that goes out. So
big
point,
break.
Yeah, point goes
For
to
PNP.
PNP.
Good break for PNP that time.
Strong, sharp serve.
Down at that time.
Manzano going down the line and getting the point. Talk about instant point. Manzano with 1. Galing ng mga coaches sa adjustments eh.
And now let's. That was good for Maderazo, keeping it close. And now let's see one more time. Ticar setting up Maderazo nicely there for that point. 21-20. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Maderazo the serve. Caballejo.
Caballejo. This time challenging the blockers of PNP. Getting the point. Palit na. Si Rhea de Maculangan. At si Iyari Yonko.
Yes.
Halos parang pareho yung mga kung kailan at kung sino ang sinasab ng Air Force. Kumbaga yan yung rotation nila.
Let's see who takes the second set. This close and tight-knitted second set, 21 apiece para sa Philippine Air Force at sa Philippine National Police.
Rhea de Maculangan.
Munti ka na tibaki doon.
Rhea de Maculangan.
Ganda ng ilan.
Agad-agad. Ay, sanay na sanay yan.
Sanay na sanay. Ganda ng ni
Barry. Alam mo, walang sinabi, Matrix yan. Walang sinabi si Keanu Reeves dyan sa pag-iilag.
Philippine Air Force now up 20-21. Molina blocked that time by the front line. Caballejo gets it. They go to Caballejo. Almost but not quite. Punta naman sila ngayon kay
Yonko, pero wide eh. She wanted to go down the line. Good idea, pero she went wide on that try. Martinez rin, pumasok na. Binalik na. For sa ligaw. Ticar now on the line. Ganda rin na, yung tinitignan niya yung timing eh. She takes time in serving.
Vallejo. Oh, scores that time for Caballero. So makikita natin dito Mozzie back and forth and back and forth. This is exciting volleyball that we are witnessing here in the second set between the two squads that are really tasked to protect us. Sabi nga natin, Philippine Air Force and the Philippine National Police.
Walang bumibitiw eh. Dun sa dalawa yun ang maganda.
Tikar.
Oh, great dig.
Great dig that time. Papaliejo.
Oh, but a free ball. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng PNP.
They go to Molina. Air Force turn. Caballero. Balik na naman. Let's see. Tikar will go to the other side this time. Oh! Great decision. Great decision for Tikar.
That is right.
The Air Force defense thought na mapupunta ulit kay Molina eh.
Ganun na nga sila nagkamali dun sa
Ang galing.
first set.
That was good. That was good on the part of Tikar.
Galliano na comes in for Dabe. So, importante bunot to para kay coach.
Yonko.
Oh! What a time. What a solid hit to come. Yari Yonko scoring.
That time nakabawi siya dun sa kanilang wide na tira niya. So the Lady Patrollers of PNP will talk things over.
Yun lang. Doon tayo nawala eh. So, C, harap, 5. Saan mo matuto pumalo? 3. 5 ka. Moms ka lang. Okay, dito sa dulo. 5. Okay, cover. Cover. Alam niyo yung gagawin niya? Cover niya po. Cover tayo. Cover. Handa lang sa bato.
Tingnan natin doon yung puntos ni Iya Yonko. Iyari placing that ball well.
Look at that. Over the blockers.
Ganda,
Yun yung maganda doon. Pero Coach RG naman Dabe, mukhang yun yung maganda sa timeout niya. Particular, meron talaga siyang play na gusto puntahan. At pero sending it wide was Molina on that quick hit.
I think that was a
Maganda
maganda
si Molina sa quick,
oh.
diba? Kanina pa siya nakakapalo dun sa open hit eh. Tapos pinapalo ng quick. Ganda dun
Good
sana
break para sa Philippine Air Force and a bad break there for the Philippine National Police. As we take a look, panoorin natin Mozzie para sa ating shake and play. This is the score of Iya Yonko that gave them the 24-23 lead. And now they're up to
with Smart's All Text 20 Plus. Trying it calls to many. Made better with all day surfing. No tweet and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so clear. And it's still a 20 more. Send to 8020 to 2827. So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
Just pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
The 9 only of PNP na sa bandang dulo na nila halos kinuha yun, ano? And yung block points lang mga PNP na isa, pero yung aces, ang dami sa PNP. But too much errors talaga on both teams, ano? 10 for PNP and 8 for Air Force. Just too much for both squads. Isang malalapit na laro. Yan eh, malaking factor yung errors.
That was Caballejo at that time. And here's Yari Yonko making up for some errors that she made earlier, some hits that were wide, pero nakabawi siya doon. So, and if you're enjoying as much as we are, maraming salamat po sa panood dito po sa GMA News TV ng Season 11 Open Conference of the Shakey's V-League, where it all started.
At itong game na to, mula nung simula, akala natin it was going to be a slow game, pero talagang tikit, even on the first set, itong second set, at yung habol ng Air Force naging very, kung kumbaga, slow.
Slowly but surely.
Yes, they were very patient in the second set. They were able to catch up on the 16th point. Tapos, lumamang nga sila, no? On their second technical timeout, lamang sila ng isa. Pero, doon lumabas yung pagkabitarano ng Air Force. Dinahan-dahan hanggat nakuha. Na naman natin kung ano, kasi sabi natin nung sa second set, napakaganda na naging adjustment na PNP. Tignan natin ulit kung ano naman ang adjustment na naman nila dito sa third set para maipanalo nila to a set that they have to win if they want to stretch this match.
And now, serving for the PNP, Mary Jane Picard.
Picard is playing really steady for PNP.
She is actually. Here's Yonko again.
Through the blockers of PNP. Speaking of PNP, Molina now 15 points. Maderazo with 8. Perez with 5. On the other side, it's Yonko and Caballejo with 7 apiece and 6 for Ortiz.
And Micah Ortiz now setting. And Shakey's, if it's fun, family, pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Perez scoring there. And now she will serve for the Lady Patrollers of the Philippine National Police. Dimakulangan setting passes. Very good set there. And good hit for Cases.
Yeah, you like the angle of that Cases semi-running hit. Iwas dun sa blockers ng PNP. Na medyo late din naman.
Now Joy Cases will set for the Air Force. Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Filipino-made.
Joy Cases now on the line to serve. So, maaga ang Air Force na gusto ng sana mag-pull away to be able to get this set and to take this match home. Pero syempre, ang PNP, laging staying close eh. Diba? Hindi naman na, kahit mga ang laki ng lead, nakakabalik pa rin eh.
Nakahabol pa eh, nakakaya pa eh. But again, another good break there for the Philippine Air Force. Now, leading by 4, 6-2. Tingnan natin doon, Galiano, but 2 blockers just really doing their jobs and getting that point. And Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League, Joy Cases again serving here for the Air Women of the Air Force.
Oh, Molina from the middle, but dug up by Costillo.
Nice dig that time by Tadeo. Molina. Oh, that was good.
Tanggal
But
na
good save,
pancake
yes.
again ni Maderazo.
Oh!
Ganda sana ng
Ganda
save na
sana.
PNP. Nave again coming in for Martinez. Kasi naroon pa rin sa service line.
7-2. Casas has been there for quite some time now. It's really scoring the points here.
Oh,
and then service ace.
That's right. Tadeo totally mistiming that receive.
And Coach
Make it better.
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on that text to everybody.
Trying and calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. Now see us every tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at $20.
Send AT20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
Talaga sa kanila ay ang sarili nilang takot. Sa Air Force naman, 3 lang ang reminder ni Coach Aying. Una, ang timing. Pangalawa, ang diskarte. Pangatlo, huwag manggigil lalo na sa set na ito. May lead na nga sila pero siguradong hindi pa tapos ang laban. Balik sa inyo, Andre and Mosey.
Ibiakan. Now PNP getting some momentum there after that technical timeout and
Block point ang nagaling dun sa PNP. Sila yung di makulangan ng Air Force. 16 excellent sets na siya. Si Ticar, on the other hand, 4 pa
pa lang.
lamang.
it's too long and the point will go to the Air Force.
Vallejo, 7 attack points so far. Yari Yoko with 6. Itong si Molina, 11. At si Maderazo with 7.
Maderazo trying some energy there. Titignan natin kung sino ang makakapagbigay ng buhay dito sa PNP. Good rally here. Oh, that was
Good dig.
good dig that time for the PNP. Oh,
Maderazo once again going down the line.
nakaisa doon si Maderazo doon.
Nakakatuwang panoodin doon si Maderazo. Parang talon lang na talon eh.
Parang bahala na.
Oh.
Christine Dave with a serve there.
Oh, that went in for Caballejo in spite of the block of PNP.
Tingnan natin ulit. Vallejo was blocked.
Pero pumasok pa rin
Pumasok
eh.
pa rin. May kasamang buenas din talaga tong Philippine Air Force eh. Mosey, you know, PNP is really showing some effort here, but if luck is in your side, like that, may mga errors pa tayo, you know.
Right, and sabi nga nila, the harder you work, the luckier you get.
11-4. Ito na pong malaking lamang ng Philippine Air Force in this set. 11-4, 7-point lead para sa ating Air Women. They go to Maderazo. You
Block.
saw her. You saw her. You know she was gonna hit, but it was blocked.
Oh, the last minute pickup there.
They go back to Maderazo. Di ba kulangan over Caballejo. Still alive.
The playable.
Di ba kulangan. Go Back to
and it hit Tadeo. Ang nakakatawa doon nung huling play ng PNP, si Tikar na yung pumalo. Tignan natin ito ulit. Caballejo. Hindi, tumama kay Tadeo.
I think muntik ka nang palabasin. Muntik, she was about to...
Tatlong isip.
Hindi dalawang isip, tatlong isip. Maganda yan, tama. Matarazzo, skying high again. Di makulangan now. Yonko over to Caballejo.
Off the block point for Judy Caballejo. Parang overtime dito si Judy Caballejo. Pati sa kanyang putas.
Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Proudly Philippine-made.
Tapping on the line. Oh, ganda naman nun. A good receive there by Molina.
Di makulangan. Over now. Yonko.
Oh, that's too much space. That's just too much space.
Yes. If you're Coach RG Davi, you cannot forgive that for that miscommunication on defense for the PNP. Caballejo just finding that very open space right there, like what you mentioned, partner. Napakabukas. Now the biggest lead of the Philippine Air Force Air Women. 10 points. Let's listen to Coach Davi.
Patay tayo sa liko tayo. Okay? Sa liko tayo, paraningin mo si Ma'am Galiano. Tapos 3 lang. Sa tatakbin mo yan si Ma'am. 3. Receive tayo. Okay? Huwag bibitaw ha. Huwag bibitaw. Malayo pa.
Sige lang. Oy, CFP!
And Coach RG Davi is really inspiring his players to keep it coming and not give up. And it's still a long way to go. Although Monzi, medyo malaki-laking lamang na to ng 10 nitong Air Force. Pero kaya pa. Tingnan natin. But Air Force with the ball here. Let's see how things will pan out for the National Police. Matarazzo. Medyo namali lang ng
Hindi na nakatalon eh. Ang baba kasi ng set. Pero
eto,
this
nakatalon
time,
siya.
yan. But Joy Casis for the pickup and Micah Ortiz for the drilling. Ang lakas na palo ni Micah Ortiz. That was another good connection between Micah and Rhea.
And now, Concepcion will come in for the first time. If I am not mistaken, this will be the first time that we will see Ana Veronica Concepcion in the ballgame. And Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Well, siya yung alternate setter nila. So, Tikar now goes out, but Tadeo trying to let that go, but it's an ace for Philippine Air Force.
Now the biggest lead of the Philippine.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got Santa?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Cute mag-Tagalog eh.
Ayan na naman. Topic still on the line. It's just a humongous lead here at the third set.
If you're enjoying this great volleyball action here in the Shakey's V-League, magandang hapon po and salamat sa panunod. Andre Felix po kasama si Mozi Ravena. Matarazzo up high. Di makulangan now setting up Caballejo. That was too long. Too much power on that attack.
Well, so far, Philippine Air Force, 8 attack points. PNP, 2 pala partner. Yun yung mahirap. Madaming atake ang nagagawa nitong Air Force at meron pa silang 2 block at 3 service aces. So sa lahat ng department, nilalamangan nila ang PNP.
Vallejo again using that power. This time it's Maderazo's turn. Ganda naman ng dig na yun ni Yonko. Oh, Vallejo was surprised. The ball ended up with her.
At parang nandun lahat ng aksyon dapat nandun kay referee.
Molina, now here's Maderazo.
Ayaw lumipat.
There's Dimakulangan. Oh! For Ortiz. And that, ayun yung pinag-uusapan natin, Mozi, na yung power and precision nitong si Micah Ortiz as we take a look at this replay.
Kanina pa yung connection nila
talaga. Oh, grabe yung chemistry nitong dalawang to.
Ni Dimac.
Ni Dimac. And ni
Micah Ortiz.
Mayo?
Mayo. Ako rin naghahanap din ako.
Nag-isip ka, nakita kita eh. Nakita kita sa Dimac and Mayo? Micah Ortiz. Nag-iimbento ng nickname. Molina now. Dimakulangan over to Cases.
And Cases going down the line just too much for Molina.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Mozi, pero sa tingin ko naka-apekto din siguro yung pagka-bitaw nitong PNP dun sa second set. Dahil medyo nakakawala din ng moral yun. Just when you thought you had it,
right.
just when you thought you had that set, you could have had that momentum on your side heading to the third set. And the Air Force is looking relaxed as Joy Cases and everything going their way.
Yun tingin ko tama ka doon dahil may epekto yon dahil slow start for them in the third set. Kaya wala na lumamang na todo-todo ang Air Force agad-agad.
Wala na ang moral nitong Lady Patrollers. Of course, statistically speaking, the odds in the favor of the Philippine Air Force, but realistically, medyo kaya pa ng PNP. Now let's listen in to the huddle of the Lady Patrollers.
Hindi pa tapos yun, no? Wala pa.
Tayo pa!
Isa-isa tayo, isa-isa. Okay, isa-isa tayo. Ronnie, C. Harap lang po. Ha? O kaya, B, C. Okay?
Isa lang.
Basta, visit lang. Harap.
Tama naman dun si Coach RG Dave.
Yes. Balik sa basic. Ganun lang talaga yun.
That's all you have to do talaga. And in every sport, in everything that you do, para sa mga batang nanonood din sa atin, back to basics.
Yes.
Mo na lang, just go back to the simple tricks of the trade. Ika nga.
And kailangan simple volleyball muna for PNP. Lalo na ganito yung lamang. And yung attitude na hindi mo pa rin, you still try to do your best to ibigay.
Tignan mo, and things worked out, you know? Medyo malayo-layo pa, pero that was a good start for Maderazo. They went to Maderazo on that perfect timing, that perfect attack, and point for them.
Tsaga-tsaga lang to, just like what the Philippine Air Force did in the second set, di ba? Lamang na lamang naman ang PNP nun, pero tsinaga nila. And they were able to win that set.
Here's Cases. That time around, that was a good dig for Molina. He will be rewarded with it.
And Molina getting that off the block point because Rhea Dimakulangan was the only blocker for her. So ito na yung sige lang. Tsaga-tsaga lang.
Yeah, let's go back to the basics. Let's go back to Maderazo, to Molina, to yung mga magandang nangyayari sa atin ng mga earlier sets. Dimakulangan setting things up, and now back here to Molina for PNP. That was a good dig for the libero of the Air Force.
Oh! But a miscue between Concepcion and Perez. Yan ang ayaw ng mga coaches. Di bali na magkaagawan. Huwag lang magkatinginan.
Etong tingin ni Coach RG Dave, yan yung tinatawag na the penetrating look. Yung paggalit, yung talagang...
Medyo... Kasi nga yun, sabi ko sa'yo yung parang...
Okay na sana.
Mortal sin yan eh.
They were having their momentum at one point after that technical timeout that we had. Maderazo scored, Molina scored, and now the Air Force is just pounding it in. Gusto na nila siguro tapusin to para makauwi na daw, sabi ni Micah Ortiz. Dimakulangan over to Ortiz, and that tandem has been working the whole game. Mozi, Dimakulangan to Ortiz.
Yes, and then si Ortiz talaga towards the end, parang siya na eh, di ba? Yung mga palo niya, unstoppable na.
Yan yung mga tandem na like dapat natin abangan. Parang Ravenna to Ravenna
Oy.
lang sa...
Pressure. Pressure ka, Andre Felix.
Molina there. Di Makulangan now will set things up to Iayonko. Great dig by Tadeo. Molina again. Great block by the front line of Air Force. Molina! Sigil. May konting sigil. Dun si Molina.
And then she wanted to change it
The
a
angle,
bit.
yes,
Oo,
yes.
gusto
Dahil-
niya swipe. Pero wala eh. Walang nahuling blocker dun sa kabila eh.
Dahil ilang beses na siyang nahuhuli doon ng Air Force. Sabi na, ibahin kaya natin. Pero medyo nasobrahan lang that time.
Going wide.
So, Philippine Air Force 3 points away. Shakey's, if it's fun, family, pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Iba na yung tono mo nung nakakain ka ng pizza kanina eh, no? Umiba ng tono eh.
Pa yun?
Oo, may extra cheese ka lang. Ganyan na.
Binibigyan tayo kanina
Tomodo
ni...
yung pizza eh. Tito Moying.
Tito Moying eh. Sabi niya, kuha ka lang. Nakita niya yata eh. Iyo, kuha ka lang. So, nahihiya na ako. Nakalima na yata ako doon na slice nung...
Kumanda naman ang pag-deliver mo ng Shakey's
yes.
pizza. Yun.
Of course. Baka mamaya makauwi tayo ng isang box. Molina there. They will try again, but this time they go back to Perez. Oh,
and Aika Ortiz
Aika
once
Ortiz.
again with a push. She's doing everything right in this third set. And
si Andaya na yung nag-set nun, ha? Si Andaya na.
Hindi makakita ng remedy itong PNP.
Match point now for the Philippine Air Force Air Women, and that look tells it all from Coach RG Dave of the PNP squad.
Oh, and that goes into the net.
At tatawa, napakamot na lang sa ulo si Gina Andaya. Napatingin siya. Napatingin siya kasi naasar na yata siya ng mga kanyang kakampi.
Konting airtime lang. Dali lang.
Andaya will set things up now to close this out and match point, but Molina says not yet over.
Oh, Andaya giving it over. One more try.
Let's see if they can close it out. Medyo namalila na ng timing ng talon doon si Iya. Now Molina. Habang rally pa rin para sa ating match point. Cases! And that is it, folks. What a way to end it. At ang floor director natin, siya yung nai-excite. Siya yung natutuwa. Ayan na.
Alam mo, talagang very exciting games tayo rito. Kaya lahat nagre-react.
Yes.
And,
nakakatuwa talaga itong Shakey's lead natin. Yes, Mozzie?
And again, balik na naman tayo sa GMA News TV as we see our shake and play of this set.
And that is it. That match point courtesy of Joy Cases. We will wrap things up after a few reminders. Stay with us this
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
Best pizza, chicken, pasta. It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday?
Pero sa second set, medyo Nahirapan kayo. So pag-usapan natin yun, ano nangyayari sa team?
Siguro nag-adjust po kami kasi panibagong court po ulit, panibagong liga. So, super nag-adjust po talaga kami. Pero nakabawi naman po nung third set. Ayun po.
Alright, so third set, syempre naman na sinabi na nga na naging mas maganda yung laro nyo. Sa tingin mo, itong first win nyo sa season na ito ay nakaka-predict ng future na kayo ang champion?
Hopefully po, malakas naman po yung pakiramdam po namin na, ayun, kaya po namin ma-reach yung goal po namin.
Going into the third set, hindi naman kayo na nervyos, no? Pagdating sa PNP, kasi nahirapan kayo sa second set, sa third set hindi naman.
Siguro, ayun nga po, malamig po ulit yung, yung San Juan Arena, siguro doon po kami nanibago talaga.
Alright, Micah, baka gusto mo mag-hi sa mga fans mo, sa mga kapamilya mo, go!
Hello po sa family ko, sa Nueva Vizcaya po, mga friends ko, mga classmates ko, yun po, mga family ng teammates ko, hello po. Hello po sa mga sumusuporta po ng Philippine Air Force.
Alright, maraming salamat, Micah Ortiz. You have a pizza from Shakey's, our best player of the game. Balik sa inyo, Andre and Mosey.
Medyo nahirapan ka doon, Bianca. Parang gusto mo din ng pizza. But congratulations to Mike Ortiz, our player of the game. Mozzie, any last thoughts before we say goodbye?
But again, expect more spectacular, amazing games here in our open conference. Yun lang, we invite you over if you can watch it live sa TV.
This has been Andre Felix together with Mozzie Ravena. Thank you for watching the Shakey's B-League, where it all started only here on GMA News TV.